How do you use Instagram Reels for your real estate business? How do you use Instagram Reels for your business? First of all, you can use them for just about anything. Tips and tricks and hacks, something you discovered today, what was funny, right? Use Instagram Reels for people to get to know you. What happened was TikTok absolutely has blown up, right? So Instagram decided that they wanted to kind of emulate and follow what TikTok was doing. And so Reels are short, digestible videos that can do anything for your audience. It can educate them, it can entertain them, it can excite them, it can engage them. So you can do pretty much anything. Think about what's one of the most common questions that you get asked. Just one question that you get asked all the time. Can you get that out there in a 30 to 45 second blurb? That would be what you'd use Instagram for. Did something really cool and exciting and fun happen to you during the day or with your family? That would be something you could do an Instagram Reel for, right? Are you eating an absolutely wonderful dish at an amazing place? That could be something you could do an Instagram Reel for. If you look at Instagram Reels, you're gonna see that people are funny on there, some are serious. They use them for all different types of things. But the whole idea, whether it's Instagram Reels or any other type of social media source, is that you're giving value. You're making people laugh, you're educating them, you're entertaining them. And while you're doing that, you're absolutely developing a relationship with them. You are bringing them into your world, and when you do that, you're breaking down their barriers, you're positioning yourself as the expert, and they're just getting to know you, right? The idea is getting them to know you so that you will be able to develop a relationship with them, and you're more likely to convert them, because people want to do business with people they know, like, and trust, right? So that's what you use Instagram Reels for. So for example, I can do a video right now on Instagram on how to use Instagram Reels. That's what I could do a video on. Make sure it's nice and short and sweet. And you gotta make sure that the video is between 30 seconds to a minute, tops. That's how long Instagram Reels can be, okay? Are you looking to transform your business? Well, if the answer is yes, then you don't want to miss out on our intensive event starting soon for only $97. This event is jam-packed, full days of live coaching with me. We have breakout sessions to customize and implement our daily training so that you can actually utilize them into your business. We're gonna give you the training to craft your personal strategy to convert your leads into long-term clients. So let's go. What are you waiting for? Register now. Can't wait to see you there, and let's transform your business. It's different than Instagram Stories. Instagram Stories is more like your own personal little soapbox opera where you can talk about your life and tell anything and everything that's happening to you. Instagram Reels are more for specific types of things. You literally are trying to get a point across, right? You're trying to teach something, you're trying to show something, you're trying to exhibit something, right? Hacks, tips, tricks, comparisons, what's working, what's not working, what to do, what not to do, problems that you face, problems your clients face, solutions to things, right? What are the answers? How do you make their life easier? That's exactly what you utilize Instagram Reels for. So if this was helpful for you, do me a favor, like, comment, and subscribe. Krista Mashore from Krista Mashore Coaching. We help agents and professionals and coaches and consultants absolutely dominate their industry utilizing social media and video. We help get you exposure to the masses, not organically, but paid, and so it happens much, much quicker. So if you're interested, click below, and I'll see you on the other side. Hey there, I have a brand new podcast called Fired Up with Krista Mashore, where I bring my high energy right to your ears. This podcast is available on all your favorite podcast platforms. So do me a favor, go subscribe and leave a review. All this information is free, and I cannot wait to teach you everything I know. Thanks so much for watching my video. You can learn more about how to be a successful real estate professional by watching other videos that I have. And be sure to subscribe to my channel. And as always, make it a great home selling and buying day.